Welcome to a brand new video of the Complex Town Footage, a game where we get to explore the backrooms as they are in the myth. But is it a myth or is it reality? No one knows. Except for the people who actually went there. If they went there, I hope not. We're back to this realistic ass game, to this elevator, to see where is it going to take us next. I don't know. We had the corridors, we had the swimming pools. I don't know what to expect next. I don't know what to expect next, but I hope, like, I don't want to go to the shopping mall thing yet. I'm not ready for it. What is this? And something I'm not ready for is to meet anything or anyone. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, the more we go and the more we play this game, the worse it gets. Dining hall. Oh, I heard a radio here. I swear I heard a radio. Can you hear that? Oh my god. Nope. No. No. Fuck no. Hell no. Oh. Oh yeah. Can we go underneath maybe? Nope. Okay, fine. Fine. Dining hall. Let's go. Wow, I'm stressing the fuck out. I'm really stressing. Oh, tables. Great. Oh, we have to crouch and go there. Oh, I don't want to though. I don't want to. If you want to go, if you want to do it, go do it alone. I don't want to. I don't want to. No. Okay, you know what I want to do? I want to run for it. Oh my god, if something peaks, I'm gonna die. I keep saying this, I know, but I'm so stressed. You have no clue. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? Oh. 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 Please don't do anything. Please. What? What? This is another elevator. Hello? No, I don't want to go there. I don't think we should go there yet. Well, hold on. What do we have here? This is so bad. This is so bad. What is this thing? Oh my god. Don't fucking do this to me. I don't even know what to feel. I don't know what to feel anymore. I swear. Oh my god, stop running. What is this? Am I going in circles? Okay, yeah, I am going in circles. Thank god, thank god, thank god, thank god, thank god I'm going in circles. What? Hello? A blue room. How convenient! The blue color is a color that indicates happiness and kind of made me feel good. Flickering lights, as we said in the last episode. Great! I'm shitting myself. I'm starting to shit myself. I don't know. Why am I stressing this much? I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh. We didn't see this, though. A randomly spawned room. You know what? Before going into the elevator, we should go to the dining hall. And we should crouch beneath the thing. Okay, let's go. What is... Oh! What is this? Why is this for? Is it just to make me shit my pants? What about this? Is there anything here? I don't feel good. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. You know what? Let's pretend we are the monster and we're looking for the traveler, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, it's not working. I saw the freaking bench here on the wall and I just, like, it all went away. Man, oh my god. Oh, I don't feel good. I don't feel good, Miss Stark. No. 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 Oh my god. I don't want to move. I don't want to play anymore. Oh god. Please. What was that? Something knocked. Something knocked. Oh. Oh, my head. I'm getting dizzy. I swear I'm getting dizzy. Okay, so there is something. Great. What was that? Hello? Oh, this is bad. This is bad. This is ultra bad. I don't know. Let's just go. I don't care. I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna run. Hello. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. The pressure that I feel right now is unbelievable. My hands are sweating like crazy. Oh, a jail? Oh, no. Can I go up? I can't. Wait. Is this where we came from? No, wait, hold on. My brain doesn't function anymore. I think that is like the elevator that we took like to come here. And I think this might be the right way to take. I don't know, but it doesn't feel good anyways. Holy shit. Oh wait, it's another elevator there. Or is it the same? I don't even know. Every time I used to see like videos of the dark room, I would be like, "Ugh, I would be so brave. No monster would fucking scare me or whatever." But like, it's not like that. Once you are inside the freaking backrooms, and once like, no, you're gonna be scared shitless. Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast. What is this place? Oh my god, is it the swimming part again? My stomach hurts and I'm not happy. Why are there tables in the middle of a... What? Wait, there's no more swimming pools. I'm really confused. I'm really Oh my god, this cat is killing me. I think we've done fucked up. I think we're lost. Are we lost? Are we lost? Did you hear that? I'm still thinking about the knocking sounds that we heard in the elevator. My heart dropped. I swear my heart dropped. What do we find here? What can we find here? Hello? Anybody home? Hello? Where's the right way? Where do we go? Oh, yeah, that's definitely the elevator that we have to take. Can you please not do that? What is gonna happen now? What is this? We're outside. Oh no. And it's dark. Oh no. Something's gonna come, right? Oh. Oh. What the fuck happened? Oh my god. At least we're outside. At least we're fucking outside. Can we go inside the houses? Yeah, there's no doors though. Okay, let's run for it. Fuck it, let's run. Let's run for a bit. Oh, this house is open. Are we meant to go inside? Oh, there's music. Can we zoom in to see what does it look like? Pretty cool! Pretty cool music recorder. Oh my god. Can I do anything? No, I just have to go out. Very cool house design. I like it. Very human. Oh, it's an elevator. I think. Maybe. I hope. I don't hope. This is the okayest. Oh my god, it's an elevator. Now we wait. On to the next level. What? What is that? Can I... What the hell is that? Okay, trees. Oh my god, thank god. This is okay, okay? I love snow. It's nice. There's light, there's stars, there's trees, houses, and most importantly, we can see everything around us. That was a problem. Okay, let's see. We should go inside this house, right? Of course. We have a window onto the next room. Nice. Can we open the door? Oh, thank God. I don't want to interact with this game any more than is necessary. Let's see the other houses. How do they look like? What do they have in store for us? And what are we gonna do? This is the blue house, the happiness house, as we said. What is this? Boots! And a backpack! What is this? Nothing. Okay, nice. Very cool house. Oh, wait, let's go around a little bit more. What is this? Men and women. Oh, maybe our... It's a door? 2 doors, I think. And what? Let's see the last house before we leave. Oh, it's slightly more weird than the other 2 houses. Do I like it? Of course I don't like it. What the fuck is that question? Okay, well, I saw something written here. Divertid. Moda infintil etin. What? I don't speak Philippines, man. Okay, let's go to the elevator. Oh no. I like this place. I hate all the places, but like, this place was kind of okay. Oh, how many levels does this game have? This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th or 6th level? Oh, what is the next level gonna be? Oh, stop. No, 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 no. Oh, fuck. That's scary as fuck. That is so fucking scary. The sound. What is this? We fell to hell. What? See, I'm shaking. Can you see? Hello? Research Institute. Mag Wave. Did we finish the game? We finished the game! Izar Leo, I think. I hope I pronounced your name good. Farside Lore music. Fuck you, Farside Lore. I love you, but like, oh my god, the music killed me. Oh! Okay. Oh my god. Oh, the relief. You have no clue how relieved I feel now. Oh, because I was waiting for some mods or something to like peek from behind the wall or something. I was gonna lose my mind. Like, that was enough. The way the rooms were, the way the levels were, they were enough to fucking put me in some like constant fear of exploring the game. Oh, I'm so glad it's over. 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 Oh, I'm so glad it's over. Thank you guys for watching. There were no jump scares, but I think the constant thrilling sounds and like level and stuff was enough to make me lose my mind for a bit. But yeah, that was that. Tell me in the comments down below, what game should we play next, or what should we do? And I might consider them. I will do them, I promise. I have like 1 comment or 0 comments every video, so everything that you say will be considered. Thank you so much for watching again. Subscribe, please. And never forget, brush twice, floss once, and kiss your dad for me.